Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. Today, I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your FxPro account. First, log into your account. Once you're in, click the arrow to expand the menu. On the left-hand side, you'll see Deposit. Click on that. This will take you to all the deposit options available. You can choose from Google Pay, credit or debit cards, PayPal, Neteller, or Skrill. If you need more options, click Show More for bank transfers. Pick the method that works best for you and enter the amount you want to deposit. For example, if you choose a credit or debit card, enter your card number, expiry date, CVV, and the amount. Let's say you want to deposit $200. Once everything is filled in, click Proceed. FxPro does not charge any commission for deposits, so your full amount will go through. And that's it. Your money is now successfully added to your FxPro account. Thanks for watching. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe to One More Guru for more guides and tutorials.